Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. So I've already done a lot of mods to my 2015 Audi A4 S-Line, but there's one thing that is a really easy mod that I completely forgot to do, and that's installing custom door lights. I've already done it to my W205 C-Class, and I've also already done it to my Audi R8. What I want to do in this video is install 3 different types of door lights and have you guys choose which one I should keep. And I want to thank DMP Car Design for sponsoring this video and providing me with the products. And if you're looking for door lights for your car, definitely go check out DMP Car Design. I'll link them in the description below. So now let me show you the products and then we'll get to the install.
So here are the 3 door lights, as you can see. And if you take a look, there's a projector lens and there's a heat sink up here. So this thing's pretty strong. One thing is this connector here doesn't fit my car, but DMP offers an adapter in their kit and that should fit my car. So now let's get these installed. So here's the door light. I'm just going to go ahead and pry it off. Now I'm going to disconnect it from the car. And as you can see, it will not plug directly into my car. So I'm going to use the adapter, plug one end to the light, one end to the car, and that's it. Just going to push the wires back in and snap the light back into place. So here's option 1, which is the Audi logo. Check that out. It's crystal clear and it's super bright. I actually really like this. Now here's option 2, Audi Sport with a red stripe. How cool is that? I don't know how they did it, but man, that looks good. And now we have option 3. The RS logo. So my car is on RS, but my God, this logo is crystal clear and it's super sharp. Wow.
So there you have it guys, really easy to install and I kind of like all 3 of them. Which one should I keep? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe and I will see you next time.